Hey foodies! Today I'm making a Filipino classic that's always a hit at every celebration. Sipo Egg. Tara, luto tayo! This is one of my favorite childhood dishes. I always look for this dish whenever we go to a fiesta. I just realized I've never made this for my kids, and they love quail eggs. So I finally gave it a try, and true enough, they
After
couldn't get
3
enough of it.
minutes,
First step is to boil the quail eggs for 3 minutes.
kunin na natin yung egg and ilagay sa
Once done, put the
cold
quail
water.
eggs into iced water or cold water. Then set aside.
Ano nabasag? Gamit ko lang ng konting oil. Then, nalagay ko lang itong uhipon for flavor. Mabuti yung ulo ng hipo. Nandun yung masarap na flavor.
Once the color of the shrimp turns into orange, set aside.
Meron tayong butter. Yan na natin yung onions. Then garlic. Yung shrimps. Salt. And pepper.
Make sure to cook each side until the color changes.
Set aside natin yung shrimp para hindi ma-overcook. Halin natin yung carrot.
One cube chicken bouillon.
After the carrots, green peas. Corn. Ayan, gusto ng mga ano ko yan. Corn.
Some recipes has turnips, but my kids don't eat that. That's why I chose not to put it.
Mushrooms. Natin ang evap milk.
Then, para mas creamy, 1 cup all-purpose cream. Mix well until it boils, then cover.
Takpan natin. Takpan natin yung sauce. Ulit yung shrimp.
Sipo egg is creamy, savory, and loaded with flavor, like a fiesta on a plate. It's made with quail eggs, shrimps or ham, carrots, green peas, corn, and a rich white sauce that ties everything together so perfectly. I added more butter to make it tastier and creamier. This is super easy to cook. The only bit of effort is peeling the quail eggs, but totally worth it. Yes, the ingredients can be a bit pricey, but the result? Delicious, elegant, and satisfying. If you're craving something creamy, kid-approved, and perfect for special occasions or everyday meals, this is it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Filipino home-style cooking and favorite family recipes. I also do travel and food review videos. Till my next video, bye!